Okay, I got this Pody and Figs. It's a powerful cleaner. It's an eco-friendly 100% pure essential. So I am gonna show you. Okay, these are the instructions. Okay, so I think this cleaning products, it is the next level. The cotton is very nice. What else we got here? We got this Pody and Figs spray. Very nice. Okay, what's this? Another one. So yeah, it comes with 5 different types of. We got peach. So I'm gonna try and use the instructions. So I'm gonna pour 20 ml of. Which one I like? I like a bit more relaxing. Let's see. Yeah. So, grounding inhibitor. What's the other one? I'm gonna try the uplifting citrus. It's saying 20 ml, but I don't know how much. Because in here it doesn't really say if there is any. So it could go wrong. I don't know. Okay, 20 ml. So I am just guessing. So I'm just gonna pour. I'm just guessing that this cap contains 20 ml of Pody and Fig oil. So it's a very concentrated one. It actually feels really nice though. I am so impressed. Pody and Figs, you have taken this the next level. I think I'm gonna put more. Just okay. How many ml is this? Right. So next, the saying, fill with tap water. I got my tap water in a glass, just enough to fill. I am shaking it. Okay, I just realized that one bottle is 20 ml. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. So I'm gonna pour the whole lot in the spray. Pour the whole lot. This is 20 ml, so wow. Smells really, really amazing. Oh wow. Okay. So I'm gonna spray the table and see. I wanna make the house smells very nice. There you go. I am cleaning the table with Pody and Figs. Amazing.